Hi guys, this is just a super quick video for anyone who's looking to find the Firewall auxiliary access for the Honda CR-V. So first thing to do is we need to open our hood, which the hood open is right here. Quick, go right around, lift the hood, up, and there's a lot of stuff here, but it's actually very easy to find. You look behind all this, and I have wires going through it. And you can see, let me put this up. See where I have these going in here? See how I have, let me do it this way. See where I have all these extra things going in here? See this hole? This hole right here? There'll be a little grommet, like a little plug here that you just knock out. So it's right behind. I'm gonna zoom out one more time. See it all? Slowly zooming in. Going in even more. That's the hole. You see it? That's all. You see how I have all these wires going through? Because I have power. I'm running power from the battery and some stuff in the car. See? See that? All this. It fits a lot of stuff. Once you start throwing things, you see I have a few different hookups going through here. So there you go, and I'm going to show it from the other side. So you can actually look at the wire to follow your way through. Goes up there a little bit. You see how see that light coming through right there? So maybe it's a little easier to see through here. This goes up. This is the brake and acceleration, right? And this goes up into here. See that light right there? See that? That's the hole. Once you pop out the grommet, you'll be able to see, like you'll see the light through there. And that's it. It's very simple. And that's how you get power through here. If you need to power a radio, or you want to have some other lights on the front, right? All those things you can get going through that accessory. If you need to pull things through, obviously you're gonna have to kind of lay down your head and look up to get at it, but this is not hard to do at all. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hope this helps anybody who's looking to access the auxiliary port to the Firewall in a Gen 3 Honda CR-V.